Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. In today's video, we're going to be flipping through this week's freebie, which is an Earth Day coloring activity book. If you're interested on finding out how to get this, be sure to watch the video to the end. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos and freebies. Stay tuned. So as I mentioned earlier, this Earth Day coloring book, activity book is available as a free printable over on our website, hangingwiththekiddos.com, and I'll also leave the links in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.